Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Adobe Fresco's live brushes. If you're using Adobe Fresco live brushes for the first time, watch these videos to become familiar with the user interface. The type of two brushes are watercolor live brushes and oil live brushes. To use watercolor live brushes, in a new document, use the Fill tool to give a flat fill to the background. Add a new layer and create a basic shape of an orange using the lasso. Double tap the live brushes and choose the watercolor wash flat brush and paint the selected area. Then, tune the brush settings to get a smaller size, less water flow and 100% color flow. Then, add more details to the leaf and the stem. Use the brush selection tool to add other details like the freckles on the orange. But note, Fresco does not support watercolor brushes on Surface Pro X and Surface Pro 9 devices. To use oil live brushes, in a new document, double tap the pixel brushes icon and choose the pencil brush from sketching and draw an owl. Add a new layer, choose a color for the background, and fill the layer with the Fill tool. Add another layer, double tap the live brushes icon, and choose Oil Paint Glaze brush and start painting the owl. Choose Oil Paint Round brush while working on the eyes. Then choose Oil Paint Filbert brush to add a variety of color strokes. Work from dark tones to light tones to make the artwork richer. To remove the canvas texture, open the oil brush settings control and change canvas texture to none. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.